Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. I know it's been a while, and that's because we have some projects going on, and we got a new toy to play with. I'm not going to hold up any longer, but let me show you what we have been putting together and we're getting ready to use today. All right, so here it is. This is something that we've needed for quite a while. This is the 37-ton RuggedMade splitter, rugged split. And it's got a log lift. This is the table. I've got it in haul mode because we just took it down here. I'm at my parents' house and we're here at the log pile and we're going to start splitting some wood here. But yeah, let's check this thing out. So these ones come in different models. You can get a Honda engine for it. They sent me the one with the Raven, and it's 420 cc. It's 15 horsepower. And I've seen some other guys use it on YouTube, and they work it pretty hard, so I don't think we're going to have any troubles there. And just this whole thing is just very heavy duty. And then this table has got a couple pins here. We'll take that off and then put it here in the front. And then the log lift, whoop, if I can get this to focus. The log lift is right there. I've got it in haul mode. Eventually we'll put that on the bottom. This piece here will go on the bottom, and then we can pick up logs. And here's what it looks like on the back. I think it took 12 gallons of hydraulic fluid all in there, and then the hydraulic filter. Now, so you're not surprised, this thing came in a crate, and if you get it, you will have to put it together. And they say it takes about 5 hours. I think it took us 6 because it's just the first time that we've ever done that, my dad and I. But yeah, I mean, what's nice about it is you know every piece of this thing and how it's put together and how it's mounted, and I think it'll help you in the long run to know what to protect and what to watch out for. All right, so we're gonna have a splitting party with the family, and I just hauled this down from Dad's garage, and this is how you haul it. And so now we're gonna get the table set up here. That out of the way. And then it's got a couple pins that you put through. There's one, and there's two, and a couple little pins to put through them so they don't come out. Okay, and then here's your log lift. And when you haul it, you stick it down here like this, pull it out, and now we can put it up underneath. Then it takes a couple pins, and then right here we have a log catcher, so whenever you pick this up, it's going to hit the log catcher. We've got this monstrous ram cylinder here, and then that's going to go through the 4-way wedge. That's what we got on here right now. So we'll go ahead and fire this up, get the leg of the log lift on, and then start splitting some wood. Okay, so we just took a little break for lunch. Here's our pile that we've done this morning, and I am so pleased with how this splitter is performing so far. We've been putting cherry rounds in there, oak rounds, and it's just pushing right through that 4-way wedge right there with no hesitation at all. It's not bogging down at all. So I'm interested to see what it's going to do with the elm logs that I have at the house, because those are the ones that always bog down my black diamond splitter, which by the way, I got rid of that one. I sold that one, and I'm looking forward to taking this to the house. But if you've watched the channel for a while, you know that I've been looking for a splitter with a log lift, and this is just so nice, so much fun.
These round looking things.
All right, we brought in extra help to clean up the mess. Our log splitter was getting buried. We worried we wasn't going to be able to get it out. There you go. Good workers. That's what kids need to be doing these days. That's good. So what we're trying to do here, my sister and my brother-in-law's house is right here, and they want to get all this wood that they cut down so they can expand their front yard. So what my brother-in-law is doing is putting rounds that he's already cut on these sleds, because it's too muddy to get a tractor down there right now. And Dad's got his winch out, and they got the winch hooked up to the sleds, and then Dad gets in the side-by-side and they pull them up, and then I'm bringing them over here to the splitter, and we're splitting them up. Just trying to clean up the woods for them. right, so I just shut this down, and I can touch it. It's just warm. It actually feels nice on my hands. So I was kind of worried about these hoses at first, and I still might zip tie them up a little bit, but yeah, it's not hot. That's because it holds 12 gallons of hydraulic fluid. All right, we're calling it a day. So we ended up with this pile here. I think they're gonna have a wood fence going up the driveway by the time we get done. And then we filled up a tote there in my truck. But what do you think, Dad?
I like it. That thing's powerful. It's a good splitter.
Yeah, and we bogged it down on one piece. I mean, this thing had a huge knot in it, but eventually it just busted right through it.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is going to come in handy for us. It's going to save our back.
I love the rack. The rack and the lift.
Oh, the table, you mean?
Table.
Yeah.
And the lift.
Yeah, we like the table because you don't have to bend over. Anything where it saves your back. So you'll be seeing a lot of this here in upcoming videos, and we'll be taking it down here to the farm here before too long. But I'm going to end the video here, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.